Hello, in this video, we will present a case study on computing taxes. The US federal personal income tax is calculated based on filing status and taxable income. There are 4 filing status: single, married filing jointly, married filing separately, and head of household. For each status, the tax is computed using this scheme. For the single, the first $83.50 is taxed at 10%. And then between this $83.51 and to $33,950 is taxed at 15%. So now you can see the table, and that's how this taxed. Now let's look at the example here. If you have, you have taxable income is $400,000 for single filer. $8,350 is taxed at 10%. And then this between $8,350 and $33,950 is taxed at 15%. And now you see there's another interval that is taxed at 25%, and then another one taxed at 28%, and then this taxed at 33%. And what is left, that is taxed at 35%. This is the tax table is for 2009. Every year it changes slightly. So we're going to write this program. We're going to prompt the user to enter the tax filing status and the taxable income. And then we're going to use this if statement. If status is 0, so we're going to compute tax for single filer. Else, if status is 1, so we'll compute tax for married filing jointly. And for status 2 and 3 and else, we're going to display, and this is wrong status, incorrect status. So this is the program. We are going to now prompt the user to enter the filing status, which is an integer. So we're going to use int. Prompt the user to enter taxable income. So this is the floating point number. So we're going to use the float. And here's the tax. Now look at the tax status. If it's 0, so the first $8,350 is taxed at this 10%. So this income is less than $8,350. Now, if this income is less than or equal to $33,950, and now this first $8,350 is taxed at 10%, and then the rest is taxed at 15%. If the income is less than or equal to $82,250, and now the first $8,350 is taxed at 10%, then the next interval is taxed at 15%, and all the left is taxed at 25%. We check all the status for status 1, and this is left as exercise. So please complete it after this video. And for status 2, status 3, left as exercise. Now for this, else, if this is incorrect status, we print this error message, and now we invoke sys.exit. We now import the sys module and invoke the function exit from the sys module. Now, if the status is correct, it's 0, 1, 2, or 3. And so we compute the text and display the text. Now for this program, there are so many cases. You need to test all the possible cases. So if you look at this, all the cases here is there are 4 firing status. For each status, you have brackets. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 brackets. The total, there are 24 cases. So you need to write the code here, write the test program, and to do a testing. So when you develop this program, so there's a lot of statements to write. So write that incrementally, one at a time. So after you finish one, test it, add more, then finish one, test more. So this way, you will be able to narrow the scope of errors once the error occurs and you know where the error is and easy to find it. So please complete the exercise after this video. That is all for the case study on computing text. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.